What's going on, guys? Bigten here again with a couple more cards for you to check out today. I've got some hot packs off of eBay here. This again is coming from Memorabilia Explosion. If I've already posted the basketball hot pack, we got a potential future hit. Could be something in the future. I can't remember his name already. I believe it was Sekou for Detroit. Dude's only 19 years old. And he turns 20 in December. Looked him up with the help of Brother Mark, of course. So, don't think I turned into an NBA whiz overnight or anything. But, I don't know. Some people are saying he might be the next Giannis. He's definitely got the body type, playing forward down there. So, yeah, definitely a nice Prism jersey card for him. So we'll have to keep that guy nice and protected, and hopefully it'll become a nice card someday. For now, the dude is just getting healthy. He just got hurt. He's averaging six points a game, and hopefully I'm not cutting anything weird. Okay. And yeah, he's there's talks of him going back down to the G League. So he's going to have to do something to improve, to say the least. But that said, we got football hot packs here. Should have, what's going on there? Oh, that's right. So we bought 5 of these. And if you bought 5, you got a bonus autograph card. So we'll save that for the last. This is Series 7. Again, go find him on eBay if you'd like to buy into this. I believe there was 100 packs total, and there should be more available still. So, if you like what you see here, go ahead and hit the like button, first of all. And if you haven't subscribed already, be sure to hit that sub button. Hit the bell for notifications so you can come back for more. And then, and only then, can you go check this guy out on eBay. No, you know, we're just cutting this. Nice packaging, but pain in the ass. So we're just gonna cut because we got a knife and we can. All right, so bag number 1, team bag, nicely packaged here. We got the Calvin Ridley draft rookie. Okay. Then we got Fantasy Stars, DeAndre Hopkins, Mr. Nuke. Zoom in for you guys here. I don't believe that is a variation or parallel. I think it's just a standard card. We got a rated rookie in there. Hopefully that's someone nice. We got a Tony Lippett. That's nothing. There we go. Got Aaron Rodgers out of Topps for the PC. Just looks like all pros at an insert. Not sure, but definitely throw that up there with the Packer stuff. Then we got Drew Brees, Topps Chrome. Not a refractor or anything. We got Tom Savage rookie card out of Prism. Nothing special there. We got Adrian Peterson. Is that the rookie? I doubt it because it's got him in Vikings. So what is so special about this other than its AP base? Nothing. All right, we got Malachi Dupree. Auto, rated rookie. He did not turn out to be much of anything. But, all right, Packer hit. Another hit. DeMarcus Robinson. Premier jerseys. I believe that's a 2016 Prism, if I recall. I'm going to have to look up where DeMarcus is now. Not sure. We got a Geno Smith rookie. He's trying to catch on somewhere. And that is that. So, nothing too crazy out of that guy. Let's see what we got in pack 2 here. Forgive me, I don't recall what the chase card is in this. But there were a bunch of them, if I recall. Great to throw all the cards right in the trash pile. New trash pile. All right, so next team bag. We got a T.Y. Hilton on the front here. All right, so T.Y. Hilton, production line. Got a Calvin Johnson, beast or not beast mode, Megatron. A Walmart exclusive insert. We got Brian Williams autographed. A 95 draft. Interesting. We got a Ty Montgomery jersey card. Sore subject after he kind of blew the Rams game 2 years ago. And then was immediately traded off the Packers. The Baltimore. Josh Rosen, rookie card. We'll see if he can turn around in Miami at all. If he gets a shot. We got Dak out of Phoenix. It's just a good-looking card. And who do we got here? TD. Terrell Davis. Look at that. Fleer metal. Talk about cool-looking cards. That guy was a beast as he lit up the Packers in Super Bowl 32. We got Jalen Strong out of draft. Miguel Masonette. I don't know him. And then we got a Bauman's Best, Mark Brunell. Another former Packer. Who then went on to star for the Jaguars for a couple of years. All right, pack 3. I don't know why I keep tearing the top off them if I'm going to cut these. I guess I'm trying to be civil with it. Try some diplomacy before going right to the blade. All right. Come on, one of these has to redeem themselves, right? We got Will Peterson. That's not doing it. Another DeAndre Hopkins fantasy star. Another Josh Rosen rookie out of Unparalleled. Bryce Petty. That's nothing. Phillip Rivers, Topps Chrome. Adrian Peterson. Yeah, just random Adrian Peterson. Tom Savage again. Noah Brown, rated rookie. Mike Walker. National Treasures, not so much. That's all right. Naheem Hines. Jersey card out of Unparalleled. Could have been worse. Could have been a lot better. All right. 2 hot packs to go here, which have been pretty cold so far, to say the least. I don't know if I can endorse this guy. I'd love to, but it's just not happening right now. I know there's a lot of packs, but good Lord. All right, Derek Carr rookie, which isn't terrible. Terry McLaurin, rookie autograph. It's okay. It's out of Sage, but I don't know. Let's see about that. That's actually pretty good. He's wasn't a high draft pick, but man, did he play this year. Then this guy's a beast. Derrick Henry. What a year he had. Out of Spectra. Big future for him. Teddy Bridgewater. Another potential big year coming up here for him. It's a nice, decent rookie. Then we got, who's this? Andre Johnson. Was a beast. JJ, longevity. I like JJ. Despite him going to Wisconsin. I'm a Marquette fan, so we can't like Wisconsin. Trey Williams, rookie. Max Williams, rookie. He did another good year there. And then we got some Crown Royal King's Court. Oh, if only that was Patty Mahomes in there, huh? And we got a Marshall Falk out of Heritage. All right, so that pack was worth the $9.50 I paid for it. So let's get into, before we do the last pack, let's look at the bonus card we got. Oh, it's a dual auto. Tatum Bell and Julius Jones. Well, 2004, that would have been a great card. But okay. Not the best. Again. I think Julius Jones had that one somewhat decent year with the Cowboys. And then I think just fell off the face of the earth. I don't know if he got hurt or what. All right, we got a all-hands team. DeAndre Hopkins. Calvin Ridley. Another Bama guy. DeVaris Daniels. Another Adrian Peterson. Tom Savage again. Then we got, who's this? Tyler Boyd. Memorabilia. Xavier Rhodes. Okay. Not terrible for the Vikings. Taco. Emmitt Smith. I love these cards. These are just beautiful cards. The old tops. Then Jordan Lewis. And that is that, guys. Best card out of there, what would I say is probably out of this pack here. I know it's only Sage coming out hit, but I don't know. Probably one of these guys. I like those. Terry McLaurin, probably going to keep doing big things. See how him and the Skins work out. And then Derrick Henry. It's a nice, thick, chunky patch. One color, but... Oh, and it's numbered down to 199. So, and it is only player worn. Come on, Panini. For what you guys charge, you get some better stuff in there. But, hey, that's just my opinion. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Once again, make sure to hit that subscription button. It would do me a big favor if you would. With that said, thanks for watching. Bigten out.